Today, we're traveling to the North Shore of Oahu and stopping at some gems along the way. Our first stop is the Hoʻomaluhia Botanical Garden. This is one of the best places to enjoy Hawaii's nature. It's a rainforest garden with plants from major tropical regions around the world and includes walking trails and a lake. Okay, we're gonna try and pronounce it. Hoʻomaluhia. Lohia. We are surrounded by lush jungle, mist, and mountains. We found a lobster claw. Ah! Oh my gosh, we just found cacao.
Oh,
guys,
your favorites.
Cacao.
Favorites.
Look at how chocolate grows. Isn't this unreal? Would you ever think to open this pod and release the deliciousness of chocolate? This right here is the heart of palm. Really popular in Brazilian salads. Wow. I'm in this forest, this botanical garden. Look at how pretty. So we made it to the lake at the botanical garden, but it looks a little bit brown. It just rained here. It's a little muddy. Anybody want to swim? He got stuck in the mud. If you like these nature views as much as we do, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And now it's time to head to our next destination, one of Hawaii's most famous beaches. We made it to Chinaman's Hat. The water's so calm here. It's so beautiful. We were surprised to see hardly anyone on the beach here, and the sand was completely filled with coral from the coral reef. Whoa. This is so beautiful!
Guys, we are on the beach here in Oahu.
Chinaman's Hat!
Woo!
Mokoli'i. We head north on Kamehameha Highway and stop in our tracks when we catch a glimpse of a beautiful, lush, tropical cove. The sun just came out. This is Ahupua'a o Kahana State Park, and it's popular for its coconut groves and rainforest trails. After spending the afternoon hiking, we got hungry, so it's time to try some of Hawaii's best casual cuisine found right on the side of the road. And no, it's not these guys. It's the shrimp trucks. We stopped off along the North Shore route to get some shrimp at this Aloha shrimp store. Food truck nation. Look at all these interesting snacks.
The Japanese.
Positive Japanese rice snacks. Got shrimp, dragon fruit juice. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Garlic shrimp, baby.
Yeah.
Suddenly, someone took interest in our Hawaiian shave ice. Barbecue teriyaki and kalua pork. This is cute. This is so legit. We cross through a line of island palm trees and find ourselves on the North Shore. Look at this. Whoa. It's like a tower of ice cream. Rainbow flavored. How was it, BP? Shaved ice party. This is something that does not happen every day. Oh my god. We hope that you enjoyed this vlog of Hawaii's North Shore. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe because we have many more Hawaii videos coming up next.